A little boy was eating jackfruit for the a little boy was eating jackfruit for the first time. He was so happy to see the jackfruit that the moment was wonderful. This little baby was sitting with all the family members. He was very curious to eat jackfruit. These moments of little children are very beautiful. His joy at this moment was palpable. The mischief and joy of these little babies is a big reason for a family to be happy and joyful. Thank you all for watching my video. Everyone please like and follow me. Again thank everyone. আসলেই এই মুহূর্তগুলো অত্যন্ত আনন্দের হয়ে থাকে যখন ছোট বাচ্চারা আনন্দিত হয় কোনো